If you're still answering complaint manually, then this video is definitely going to help you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can automate complaint with AI. Now imagine you have a company and there you get a lot of complaint on WhatsApp. Replying each and every complaint manually is a time-consuming task. That's where a new feature, AI Assistant, make a huge difference. Now with the help of AI Assistant, whenever a new complaint is registered on WhatsApp, it is automatically going to be replied with the help of AI agent. If you want to know how to make this AI Assistant for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. As I've told you, we are going to learn how we can handle customer complaint with the help of AI agent. Here you can see I have built an AI agent which is going to handle all the complaints, reply to my customer and going to be available 24/7. Before letting you know how we can make this AI agent, I am going to show you how it is going to work in real time. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and here I will type a key message. As soon as I have entered my initial message, they have replied me with a message which says, I am here for you, let me know what you need help with and I will do my best to assist you. Here I'm going to ask a question. How do I raise a complaint about a product or service? And for that they have answered me, you can raise a complaint about a product or service by following these steps. You can visit our website. You can also email us and WhatsApp us about your complaint. Once you submit your complaint, our AI assistant will register it instantly and provide you with the ticket number. If you have any more questions or need further assist, feel free to ask. After that, I'm going to ask what happened after I register a complaint. And for that, they have answered me, after you register a complaint, the following step will be occurred. You will receive a complaint ticket number immediately. Our AI agent will categorize your issue and after that, you will get a confirmation message with the expected resolution time. If you have any more question or need assist with anything else, just let me know. Now here I'm going to ask another question which is, how long does it take to resolve a complaint? And for that they have immediately answered me, the time is taken to resolve a complaint varies between a type of issue. Minor issue might take 24 to 48 hours, technical issue might take 3 to 5 business days and replacement request will take 7 to 10 business days. And here you can see my AI assistant is replying me within second, that too without any manual effort. Isn't that great? Your customer getting reply within second and that too 24/7. If you want to make this AI assistant for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp and manage sales, customer support, marketing by building chatbot and AI assistant. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest update for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how you can join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. You can check that out. Now I will move back to my landing page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free credit every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow for today. After selecting Pabbly Chatflow, I will be landed on the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. And to add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on add WhatsApp number button which is given over here, and inside this you have two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number in detail, we have provided a detailed video in the description box. You can check that out. Not only that, we have many more features like inbox, contact, team queue, template, broadcast, flow, AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know any of these features in detail, we have provided a detailed video for that that as well, you can check the description box for the detailed video. For now, as we are making AI assistant, I will select that. And from here, I can add my AI assistant by clicking on the Add AI Assistant button. Here, I need to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this AI assistant to handle complaint, I will name it accordingly as Customer Complaint Handling using AI Assistant. Now I'm going to add my AI assistant, and from here I can set up and add my AI assistant for the further use. For that, you need to set up AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface and styling. On to our first step, first we need to select instruction type. Here we can select different instruction type like AI agent, customer support, sales agent, language tutor, coding expert, life coach and futuristic fashion advisor. For now, I'm going to select AI agent. As soon as I have selected the instruction type, they have provided me few instructions in which they tell how AI agent is trained and it is going to reply to my customer. In this instruction type, it tells you how it is going to solve the problem, reply efficiently, and listen all the need of my customer. Below that, we need to select AI configuration, in which temperature is a key feature, where 0 means focus and 1 means creative. I'm going to set my temperature as 0.3 to keep my reply focused but slightly on a creative side. Below that, I'm going to select AI platform, which is going to use to generate the reply. And after that, I'm going to select the model, which is going to be GPT-4o Mini. This model is a cost-effective model. That's why I've selected that. After that, we need to provide API key. To get API key, you need to visit this hyperlink which is given over here. And as soon as you will be landed on the OpenAI platform, here you can generate your secret key by clicking on Create New Secret Key button. After that, you need to provide a meaningful name. Now, next step, you need to click on Create Secret Key. And here your secret key is generated. Now I'm going to just copy the secret key and paste this secret key over here. As soon as I have clicked on create button, my key is successfully saved. Below that, we have AI assistant setting, in which we need to provide header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts and feedback message. Where stop keywords going to help to transfer your chat from AI to human support. That means whenever your customer enter this stop keywords, it is going to transfer the chat to human support for the further assessment. And fallback message is a customized message which is going to be displayed whenever your AI assistant doesn't get a proper response or your AI agent API key is not responding correctly. Now, as we are done with our instruction, I will move forward to the knowledge source. Here you need to provide knowledge source according to your company. As you can see over here, I have made this knowledge source where I have provided all the data about my company, which is going to be used by my AI agent to reply to my customer efficiently and correctly. I'm just going to download this file in a plain text form, and here I'm going to drag and drop this file to upload my knowledge source for my AI agent. And here you can see my file is uploaded successfully. Now, as we are done with our knowledge source, I will move forward to the assistant interface. Here we need to provide heading name, subheading name, initial message, display label, footer text, footer link and user first message. Let's start with the heading name. Here we need to provide an attractive heading name which is going to be displayed over here. I'm going to name it AI Complaint Handling, as you can see over here. Below that, we need to provide subheading name which is going to be displayed below the heading name. Below that, we need to enter initial message, and remember that you can only enter 2 initial message, and to enter your message you just need to type your message and press the enter key, and your message will be entered over here. After that, you can select whether you want to display your company label or not. As I don't have any issue, I will enable it. Below that, you need to provide footer text and footer link of your company. And lastly, in this section, you need to provide user first message to initiate or trigger this conversation. Now, after assistant interface, I will move forward to the styling. This is going to give a customized visual appearance to your AI assistant, where you can add theme mode, assistant shape, background color, text color, header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. And with that, we are done setting up our AI assistant for customer complaint handling. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see over here, my AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. And before testing this AI assistant in real time, I need to tell you an important step. For that, you need to come with me to the settings section, and here you can see inbox setting is given. I'm just going to open this inbox setting in a new tab. And from here you can enable and customize your auto reply response, and for that you need to scroll down and come to AI auto reply setting, where you can enable your AI auto reply by just enable this toggle. And to disable your AI auto reply, you just need to disable your auto toggle and select the disable option, where I'm going to provide a confirmation text and click on disable AI replies. And with that, your AI auto reply disable for new chat only. Right now we want to test our AI assistant. For that, I'm going to enable this toggle and my auto reply enabled successfully. After that, we need to select the contact to whom you want to assist this AI assistant, and beside that you need to select the AI assistant that you have created. As we have created AI assistant for complaint handling, I will select that and save all of this information. After saving all of this information, my AI assistant is ready to run in real time. Now again, I'm going to open my WhatsApp web and clean my previous conversation. Here again, I'm going to type my initial message, which is I need help. And for that, they have replied me, I am here to help. Please let me know what you need assist with and I will do my best to support you. Now here I'm going to ask a question from my knowledge source. Here I'm going to ask, what if I receive a damaged or wrong product? As soon as I have entered my question, they have replied me with a solution where they answer, if you receive a damaged or wrong product, please follow these steps. Contact us, provide evidence and resolve. And our team will assist you in resolving the issue, whether it's a replacement or refund. And here you can see they are replying and responding me from the knowledge source that we have provided with our company data. So yes, if you like this video or have any doubt, you can tell us in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.